Hello, Joan of Art here on my last day in Bielefeld for this trip. One Ilonggo word because I'm eating a lot. Actually, ich bin satt. I am full. I am busog. Full is busog. But I have to eat. This is pickard, some kind of potato with syrup, and this one I want to discuss with you. This is quark or cream cheese, and what they do is they put it in a jar with the what's left of the jam. So there used to be strawberry jam here, and the last bits of strawberry jam, they put quark or cream cheese and scrounge it up until it's all gone. So in Ilonggo, we call it SIPOT. So we can eat everything. So that's what they do here. Just SIPOT everything, and it's fun. So that's the way they do it here in Bielefeld. SIPOT. This is Joan of Art from Bielefeld, and see you in our next video. Bye.